At 6:03 this morning, we are following some breaking news over from West Nashville. We do have a confirmed water main break that is currently flooding part of Charlotte Pike over there on the west side.
Yeah, this is going to impact your morning commute. Fox 17 News reporter Chris Knowles just got there. He's live on Charlotte Pike, close to I-40. Chris, get us up to speed.
Good morning. I'm here just at the intersection of Charlotte Pike and Brook Hollow Road. Let me step out the way and give you a look right now. This is where this 8-inch water main broke and causing flooding here on the road. It sent water rushing really across the roadway, and it has also caused the road to buckle up a great bit. So this portion of the road is pretty much shut down. And right now, workers tell me that they're waiting to get a clearance from the gas company so they can start digging and get in there to fix the issue, but they have to get that clearance because they don't know what's underneath there. And they also say that this could cause water disruptions for some. Already, they already are experiencing no water, and as they are working to shut off the main line, many of the local businesses around here will not have any water. Now, if we can go over here to the road, you will see just how much water it is from the splash that comes as cars drive through here. And so we don't know how long this has been happening, but this is something that we're going to continue to cover throughout the rest of the morning. Stay with us here on Fox 17 and also on our YouTube for live coverage that's happening here at this breaking news scene. Reporting live, I'm Chris Knowles, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.